crowdfunding platform, Deposit a Gift. And for today's Teaching Tuesday, we're doing tip number 7 in our series about how to create a successful crowdfunding campaign. Today's tip is identify the most effective marketing channels for your target market. When you're doing a crowdfunding campaign, obviously your best method to reach people and generate quick contributions is going to be online. Crowdfunding, by its very nature, is an online fundraising mechanism that is built to leverage your social networks. So you want to do everything you can to connect with people online in a social way so that they will give quickly and also be compelled to share. That's the way that you're going to reach their outer networks. Email is also an extremely effective channel of communication. Why? Well, because you're landing your message, your crowdfunding campaign, directly in their inboxes. And you want to do that as often and as consistently as possible. Really, when you're marketing a campaign, it's all about your consistent messaging, your consistent communication. So email's great because you can create an email distribution list. Either you can do that with your contacts in your Gmail or your Yahoo, or you can use a website like MailChimp, which actually lets you create an email distribution list for free if you've got less than 2,000 contacts. It's a great way for you to call together all of your contacts and make it easy for you to send them updates constantly, add new people to your list, give people the option to stay engaged that way. So online is going to be a very effective marketing channel. But you know your community best. And if you know that you have people who are going to respond well to offline communications, then you don't want to rule that out. There's nothing wrong with sending home a flyer, doing a postcard, sending out an annual letter. Things that, I mean, you can even do something as cool as, a text message campaign. So that's the tip. You want to think about what are going to be your most effective marketing channels for your community. Where can you reach your network best? And where can you give them the tools so that they can then reach their network? And that's the idea with crowdfunding. You want to reverberate through the different networks. Think about what those channels are, plot out your marketing roadmap, and get communicating, spreading the word about your campaign right away.